Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a pivot table here, and I'm going to put this into the discussion so that you can see how to actually do a pivot table. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up Microsoft Excel to begin with. And one thing that I asked you to do was to use a data file that I have provided. And the way you do that is you go to Data, you go to Get Data, from File, and then from Text CSV. So you see where I went? Data, Get Data, from File, from Text CSV. Then it should open up your navigation system on your personal machine, and I have downloaded it to my desktop, and I'm going to use the Office Supplies data one right here. And that will bring up this where I just click Load, and all my data is there. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just highlight this table here, and I'm going to click on Convert to Range. Okay, you need to get rid of all those filters at the top. Okay, now that I have that, I can create a pivot table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, Pivot Table, and then I'm going to click on Pivot Table. And it needs to know where my pivot table is. I'm going to select everything, including all of the headings as well, and click on. I could put this in a new worksheet. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to create one that has the region as a column label, the rep as the row label, and the total order of the sale would go right here. And then it's created it. I can see all the salespeople along the left, I can see all of the regions along the top, and I can see the total sales for each rep in each region across the bottom. Okay? And that is how you do a pivot table.